Hey folks, Bud at SOPHA World Headquarters. You know me from SOPHA or the Master of Lighting course, and we're pretty excited to announce that Belinda Richards will be coming here to our studio to give her 2-day compositing class. Now, if you don't know Belinda, you might know her by her other name, which is Frog Dog Studio. And if you check out her work, it's pretty amazing. A lot of composites, a lot of conceptual work that you'll love, and she has a particular technique that works particularly well in the world of composites and pets, and you'll certainly want to check out this master's level class. It's April 24th and 25th here at the studio. There's an early bird discount up and through March 6th. You want to check out the link. Now, the title of the course is Look Who's Talking Now, Communication Through Pet Photography. Don't let that name fool you, because it's really all about composites and studio work and all the awesome. Now, bear in mind, if you need to take a little bit more of a refresher on studio work, or maybe for the first time, there is a KickStart Studio Lighting class here, run by us, of course, Master Lighting course in SOPHA, on April 23rd, the day before. We have plenty of folks flying in for this class, so I hope you can join us. Otherwise, we hope to see you there. Thanks so much.